Not only the conviction, Shayna, but the death sentence as well. The convicted bomber, Dzhokhar Tsarnaev, was not in the courtroom today, but his lawyers laid out several reasons why they say he did not get a fair trial.
This case should not have been tried in Boston.
The extraordinary tragedy at the Boston Marathon took place in 2013. 3 people were killed, including an 8-year-old boy, hundreds more injured. An MIT police officer was shot to death in the manhunt for the accused Tsarnaev brothers. The older, Tamerlan, killed in a shootout with police. The younger, Dzhokhar, was eventually found guilty and sentenced to death in 2015. But now on death row, he is appealing. Today, his lawyers argued the impact of the bombing was so widespread, the trial should have been held elsewhere, and 2 jurors, including the foreperson, lied during jury selection.
Juror 286, the foreperson, falsely denied having posted on Twitter that Tsarnaev was a piece of garbage and falsely denied that she and her family had been locked down in their Dorchester home during the shelter-in-place.
But the government's lawyer argued the prosecution followed the rules, and the judge on the case found the jury was impartial.
On the record, the district court said that he had reviewed the party submissions, which included, obviously, all of these tweets, Facebook postings, and had reviewed the transcripts, and noted that he had sat through and had the face-to-face voir dire with these jurors, and indicated that none of the issues raised seemed to suggest the presence of bias.
But the judges on the appeals court peppered the prosecutor about whether enough was done to ensure impartiality.
It's just very puzzling. You have a defendant who's clearly guilty of this heinous crime, and you then stretch and don't try to follow the rules that we've already laid down when you do a trial.
The appeals court has a few options on the table. They could simply vacate the sentence and let the conviction stand. There is no timeline for when a decision will be made. Live in Boston, Sarah Khan, GW, CVB News Center 5.